want to do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Officer, this is not about Jamaica, this is
temperature,
about
man.
unity. Finding the global issue of what is going on. This is not a concern. It's a concern. Jamaica.
Yes,
Jamaicans.
Black man in America. I cannot understand.
Yeah, we connected, man.
This protest, there is no action. Protest.
No violence. Peaceful.
No, from police too. No, man.
I can breathe.
Jamaican, open on the eye. My face shine out because I have a chrome white on my face. I start bleach again. A lot of Jamaican people me see a name a protest. And I do a lot of things. A lot of them me see a post. I never see no go yet so for Jamaica yet, dog. What me could never go up a UE go stand up when they take away blood clot dumb girl what there, blind girl. What me could never go to a station go protest or then kill a little youth or they are try selling egg which party mother did same place. A whole heap of things are going on in Jamaica. We not go, they go do nothing because Jamaica don't know nothing for Jamaica. And a kill up on yourself over some foreign news. How much people dead, dog. A yard, I mean, I say, none of them go on so like, oh no, go on to some little man who don't even know. Dog, you look push on and push foreign, dog. Jamaica need it more, bro. I mean, I care what nobody wants it, dog. Jamaica need it, bro. You not waste on the time, dog. That's something I like somehow on the dog. So bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know, so NEWLINK there, you know. So right about now, people, as you can see, I show you a piece of 3 different clips, right? First, I see the one where spies in the demonstration over US. Then I see the police, some Jamaicans say them are going to do them one thing at Jamaica for the same charge flag. And then you see Facebook here come and give a talk, which honestly, you know, it's a Black Lives Matters people, but in the end when I really base on me, I say, what the youth say in the last, even though maybe my curse somebody or that thing, because you don't know, say a hero style like people. A real thing about talking I make. Real talking I make. You know what I mean? And me always say this, that's why I say NEWLINK always coming on this. NEWLINK as a vlogger always a defend my own Jamaican people and everything will happen. NEWLINK stand up feet, NEWLINK putting words out there to it. You know what I mean? Even if you not reach, but NEWLINK still a represent. And which me say many Jamaicans fail to do because things keep on happening in Jamaica and people not do it, people. You get me? Look at the lady. Just to show him, not talk about era, say about the youth with the egg and the other persons them, but look on the lady. Remember the lady, just the other day last week, when cut down and residents in the community said a soldier literally going there and think he was a man in the bed and the disabled woman, right? And you see Jamaican take it over and do this. I'm not saying, you know, nothing wrong with about where we have a Black Lives Matter for George Floyd and with the police, but if we do the same thing for our own people, entertainers and everybody. Mr. Vibes Cartel come and boom and post up that same lady on them Instagram people, the one I'm talking about, the disabled lady, and say justice for her. And how much entertainers has to do it? Be honest, how much? You know what I mean? In the end, we understand some people using these things just to get this limelight and this big thing worldwide. We say, you know what? Whoa, me gone pan big international represent and do this and do that. But in the end, no, because them say Jamaica is local, so them not get that international recognition, so them not check. You know what I mean? But anything you do, man, do it for your art. That's why NEWLINK come and do a vlog from why I get to people them, whether they're Jamaica, whether they're Trinidad, St. Vincent, any one of the Caribbean country them. You understand? And NEWLINK do a vlog from my youth them. You know what I mean? Me I do it from my art, from writers of people. That's why sometimes, you know how much time me I start the vlog them people and me have all 10 times. Because one mistake damage everything, and when me I do it more, we just get a real thing in a so. Because when me I let out people, a real thing straight from done in a so.
You know what I mean? Nah, do nothing for pretty up, nothing, nah, do nothing up if you do this or that. Even though sometimes we put a little skit to it just to make it kind of different, you know what I mean? Because NEWLINK always want to be different. You know when people come and expect to say NEWLINK the same way every time, and you just get accustomed to that. You know, you just want to make things just feel different. That's how NEWLINK is. You get me? Just like sometimes somebody come and read the article and then I say NEWLINK come and just do it like this. Then I will say me show a review or do a reaction video. That's everything I can expect from NEWLINK. But in the end, people, our country, Jamaica, we have to show more love and more respect for it. You know what I mean? Show more love for things that happen in our country, because now we see that people can really take it to the street. That's big America, and you see what going on because of George Floyd. Now we see that things been happening in Jamaica where innocent people been killed the same way. You know what I mean? Enough local foolishness are going on, enough local corruption, and people keep silent. Now it's time for sure. Say people can step out of them shell now, even though they have the pandemic with the COVID, but still people can step out them shell and go seek justice, because justice needs to be served. Enough people out there do things and they keep on doing it over and over because people just stay quiet and they get the chance to come back and do it over and over again. You know what I mean? It's happening at 100 times. And I guess enough time things don't happen where, you know what I mean, these people who respond to do what them do, they didn't have a choice, or them do the right thing. You know what I mean? I'm picking a side, but all I'm saying is people need to stand up more and represent more. You get me? Because in the end, things could have been really, yo, I shouldn't even know viewers and subscribers. But I can say I'm happy I'm one of the person who always represent. I'm just happy. And if you know yourself is one too, feel proud of yourself, and not just because of this thing that took place over in America, which I definitely show up my condolences, and definitely see I do video, and definitely see I talk and do other things towards it. So not because of that, but you don't know the thing, my people. Enough love, enough respect. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so when you link up a video, you will get them. Peace out and respect, protect your brothers and sisters. I'm out. Big up.